Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, and as promised, we're doing a mini GT video on one of their LB Works LB Super Silhouette R35s. We did a Super Saturday yesterday with the Super Treasure Hunt Datsun 510 and a look at the P case regular variant of it, and then the P case regular treasure hunt. So today we're doing Super Silhouette Sunday for Mini GT, but I'm gonna do two vehicles for you. This is our Super Silhouette. This is a really cool looking car. This has a unique high wing compared to the regular Super Silhouette kit wing, which is kind of like a TRD, like the Toyota Racing Department wing, where kind of wraps around from one side to the other, like on the Supras. And this one's not. It has a center mount, and it's big and wide, kind of like an IndyCar wing, kind of. But what else I brought out with this guy is the Transporter, the Isuzu N Series. I used to have the black setup of this, the number 75 black Japan exclusive that had the version 1 kit on it, and then the black hauler, but I sold it unfortunately. But now I've got the white set to kind of go along with my white theme of Nissans, which now I've got like one side of a case, Hot Wheels case, filled up almost. I think I'm lacking one car I need to put in there to fill the last spot, and then I will show you guys that after we do the videos and all of them. So anyways, let's get this guy unboxed first, because this is going to be the platform for the R35. So this is your Isuzu N-Series Vehicle Transporter LBWK White. And that's the actual diecast, highly detailed. And then it says that this was part of Toy East, so I guess it was a Toy East exclusive. I thought it was just regular run-of-the-mill, but I guess maybe it is a Toy East exclusive. There's your licensing stuff, choking hazards, warnings, and all that stuff. Your TSM model licensing sticker. This end cap has your LB for Liberty Walk. This one has Mini GT, scale 1/64. The backside shows the functionality of the bed. This has licensing for TSM model, and then on the UPC, it is the Isuzu N-Series Vehicle Transporter LBWK White RHD. And what's strange with this one compared to the black one, oh, there it is. Never mind. I was going to say, it's a tiny model, just distributed by Mini GT, and it has LBWK licensing stuff on it that Mini GT holds the rights to. So, and they put it all on a tiny model. So this is tiny Hong Kong. They're also a pretty cool diecast company. They make realistic looking diecast from like China and such. So anyways, this is collector number 356. That's where to find Mini GT online, www.minigt.com, where to find them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So let's get this guy out and take a look at him. And it comes in a two-piece type of plastic dome thing going on here. As you can see, top part just slides off, and the truck pulls out. And this, unlike, say, excuse me, like part of the Hot Wheels team transports. Ah, feeling a little choked up here. It's beginning to be that time of year. It's a little bit cold here today, so hopefully flu season is not catching me. But anyways, unlike the Hot Wheels team transports, these are very heavy. This is predominantly an all metal casting. Everything. The slide back bed part is metal, whereas on Hot Wheels it would be plastic. The frame work down here is plastic, but I think the actual like sides may be metal, and then the cab is metal, but it is a very heavy casting. that's why they're a little bit costly. I think they're about 30 bucks. I think I paid 35 for this one, but I think I'm paying secondary market price. But I still think these are about 25 or 30 bucks, even straight from Tiny, the ones that are not done up in the LBWK livery. I think they're still like 20 to 25 bucks, something like that. But as you can see, it has LB Works, LBWK, Liberty Walk, and this folds down, which is cool. And then the bed, let's see, I think it locks kind of in place. But anyways, it slides back so far, and then it will tilt forward. And then there you go. And then it flips forward, and it slides up and forward. Very realistic. Has the actual, like, realistic mirrors, and what's cool, they are a rubber material, so they will not break off very easily. Has acrylic lights up here in the amber. And as you can see, it's a right-hand drive. What's cool, the interior is gray. The steering wheel is black to kind of give it a little more detail. And the grille is really detailed. It has acrylic headlight lenses. Separate pieces for the bumper and such. Nicely detailed wheels. They almost look like two-piece wheels. The undercarriage is nicely detailed too, with a full ladder frame, the gas tanks, and it even has a spare underneath. And what's cool about the spare, it's actually rubber too, and it's a separate piece. The dually rear tires. Detailed exhaust, which is also a separate unit. It's not just molded into the chassis. So this is a very detailed 1/64th piece. So let's get the car out that it was built for. So this is your Mini GT LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT-R white LBWK. I thought that was a misprint at first, but that's actually the name of the kit from Liberty Walk. It's collector number 209. And once again, where to find Mini GT online and social media. Mini GT 164, LB, Liberty Walk. Your warnings and recommendation for 14 and older, because it is a collector's model. Then you have your licensing from Nissan, the holographic TSM model sticker, and then you have your right up above the UPC LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT-R version 1 white LBWK RHD. I'm not sure if this came in an LHD. I don't think so. I think it was only offered in the RHD. And it says version 1. I'm not sure if they do mention anything on the other wing, if it's like a different wing, but this is the last wing released on the Silhouette kit. The other one is the typical, like, as I mentioned, kind of like a TRD style wing, like super style wing. And I'll do an unboxing on one of these Silhouette Works. It's in red and black. I was going to do it this weekend, but I'll do it next weekend for you guys. And it has that original Silhouette Works wing that this kit came with. So as you can see, this is a very cool kit. Kind of boxy to give it that silhouette look. But also curvy in all the right places. And LBWK in big letters from white to black. The Liberty Walk. Under it, it does not have that catchphrase, imagine all the people living life in peace. Has separate pieces for the canard spoilers or wings, whatever you want to call them. The GT-R and the grille. LB Performance, detailed intercooler, acrylic headlight lenses, rubber mirrors, and they're pretty durable. LB Performance banner sticker across the windshield, and you can see the gauge pod bulge there in the steering wheel for the right-hand drive. And as I mentioned, that wing is kind of like a, I don't know, IndyCar look to it, or Le Mans style racing wing. And then you have the ducktail style wing, which all the Silhouette kits had this ducktail style, and also had a high wing. They all are like that. Then you have red acrylic taillight lenses, and your Advan sticker, some other stickers back there, Liberty Walk plate, your nice detailed air diffuser. It's metal as usual, nicely detailed chassis, treaded rubber tires, chassis held down by button head Phillips screws. So, very sweet model. And then if you place him on here, it is almost as if these lines kind of continue on. In a way, if you push it all the way forward, it's like they almost match up perfect. Maybe off by, I don't know, if you're doing it by actual size, maybe by 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. But it looks very, very cool together. Very nice setup. And it makes some very nice pictures. I took some pics and posted them on IG probably a week or two ago when I first got this set. But there you go. It's pretty functional. Pretty sweet piece. And then you would pull him up there. And then it would tilt forward and slide inward, and that would flip up, and bam, done. So that's our video for today, guys. Tomorrow we'll be unboxing the latest RLC 69 Dodge Charger, the Spectre Flame Yellow one that just came out a couple weeks ago. I got mine over the weekend, so we'll be unboxing it come tomorrow. So be sure to tune back in for that, and enjoy your Sunday. Thanks for watching.